The needs of a commercial contractor are very different. Managing labor and assets on large multi-day jobs at multiple service locations for a single contractor presents unique challenges. IndusTrack has created a solution specifically to meet these challenges. With IndusTrack CRM, each contractor can manage multiple service locations, then track the proposals, jobs, invoices, and equipment related to each location. IndusTrack's phase-based proposals make it quick and simple to bid on new projects. Create multiple phases and attach inventory items, equipment, assets, and labor to each phase, so your customers will know exactly what they are paying for. Then, create a custom, multi-page HTML proposal on which the contractor can accept or reject your bid. Once the project has been won, convert to jobs with a single click. IndusTrack's scheduling module for commercial contractors makes it simple to assign and track the progress of the phases across multiple divisions. Create separate schedules for your delivery, plumbing, HVAC, and other departments when installing at new builds. For ongoing commercial service, you can color code your schedules and view detailed equipment history. It's important for commercial contractors to know the history at each service location. With IndusTrack commercial software, field techs can quickly look at work and equipment history before they start the job. All new work history will automatically be tracked at each job, and the field techs can easily view and create additional estimates. As they complete their work, they can attach pictures to tasks and complete all necessary forms and checklists right on their mobile device, all while tracking their time on site. With IndusTrack's inventory module, they can find a part they may need from nearby vehicles and warehouses. Back-end staff will be able to track completion virtually in real time. See all the completed tasks and what equipment and assets were used on the job report. Once all phases are complete, your office staff can convert all the different jobs into one single invoice and send it to the customer. Then, track the status of your outstanding invoices and make sure you get paid in a timely manner. With IndusTrack's customer portal, your customers will be able to track jobs, as well as see estimates and pay open invoices. Giving your customers visibility and transparency into the services you are providing them will give them extra confidence in you, allowing you to build relationships that will last decades. Sit back, relax, and let IndusTrack work.